Hi, welcome to week 3 in Math and Society. This is finance week. We'll be talking about home loans and car loans and investing for retirement and also uh, uh, retirement annuities where you get your money back after you retire. So anyway, and we'll do some credit card stuff as well. So all about basic personal finances this week. Since there was no class on Monday, I will be teaching tomorrow at 10:30 and Wednesday at 10:30 also. That should be in there. And then tomorrow night at 6 I'll also be doing a lesson. And you may notice that the finance exercises are due on Wednesday, and then notice Thursday the written assignment is due, but that is grayed out right now. That's got gray because you have to get a certain score. You have to get at least 25. There's 60 points on the finance exercises. You have to get 25 out of 60 before you can do the written assignment. And similarly with the finance skills quiz, you have to get 25 out of 60 on the exercises to open that. So the finance unit summary is due on that Friday too. And really you need to do that before you do the quiz as well, because that's of course where you're going to have a number of examples written out for yourself to make sure that when you take the quiz you're prepared to do that yourself. Okay, one thing that's going to be unique in this is when you do the exercises and in the quiz and the written assignment, there's a resource that is always going to be available to you, and that is, when you open that up, you'll see that they have the online calculator. So if you click on that, that will open up this TVM solver, which there's lessons. I give lessons on how to use this TVM solver for the different types of problems, and it's pretty slick and quick, and you'll get to use it on the quiz. So that you'll be hopefully get familiar with that as you go through those exercises, and you'll see that on the TVM solver, it's really slick. You don't really need a formula. You need to know how to use the TVM solver for calculating how much a payment might be. But on a problem like this, this says you plan to pay 20% as a down payment on this $218,000 home, and asks how much is the loan amount going to be. Well, the TVM solver doesn't solve things like that. This is 20%. You'd calculate, 100% minus 20% is 80%. So you just take 80% of the 218, and that is what your home loan would be. So just basic percents. Those are basic percent problems that you're going to be doing. So, and also the next problem, for example, is a problem on just regular compound interest. You've probably seen this compound interest formula. That's something you'll need to know and have. That the TVM solver doesn't typically. We don't use the TVM solver for that kind of problem, but for the more complicated ones is what we use it for. So you'll need to know this. The interest is principal times rate times time. You'll also need to know the compound interest formula. But for other types of long-term investment and loan payback and annuity stuff, that's going to be on the TVM solver. Okay, so that kind of summarizes the week. Wednesday are exercises, Thursday's written assignment, and Friday's the finance summary and skills quiz. Okay, I hope you have a good week, and I'll be seeing you. I'll be in the Math Center and available for you if you need to call or text. Okay, have a good week. Bye-bye.